Heyo! I just wanted to take a little bit of a moment and work through a couple problems today just to help refresh you with percents. I know some of you had a couple questions on it, and I'm going to show you kind of using that percent ruler number line that we've been working with prior to that. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's just take a look at the first question that I have here. A $30 shirt is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price? Okay, so first of all, I'm drawing my percent kind of ruler here. 0% is here, 100% is going to be on that end. Okay, and then I have the shirt is 25% off. So I'm just going to kind of make my mark here. 25% off is going to be right here on this part, but then on the other side of that is going to be 75%. Okay, so when we're looking at that, we're kind of thinking about which part are we looking for. So the $30 shirt, that was my original price. So 30 is going to go above the 100. Okay, so now what it becomes is are we looking for this value above the 25%, or are we looking for the Y value above the 75%? Okay, and in this question, it's asking what is the sale price. So when we look at what the sale price is, we are really looking at this part here. So that means I have Y over 75 is going to be equal to 30 over 100. Okay, which is still it's just your eye chart turned sideways is all it is. Okay, so then I'm going to multiply 75 times 30 and divide it by 100. Type that into my calculator, and I'm going to get $22.50. So that is going to be my sale price for the shirt. Okay, right there. So it's a matter of just determining which percentage we are working with, which part of the answer we're looking for. All right, here's the last problem I want to just look at. So I paid $30 for a shirt that was on sale for 25% off. What was the original price? Okay, so again, I'm going to draw my number line out here, and I have 0%, 100%. Okay, it was 25% off, so again we have our 25% here and 75% here. But then you paid $30 for the shirt, okay, and we're looking for the original price. So we know that our original price is what is unknown. So therefore the $30, because that's what we paid 75% of what the total cost was. So the $30 is going to go right there. So then I have my proportion set up. 35 over 75 is equal to X over 100. So I'm just going to cross multiply 30 times 100 divided by 75. Now I lost my calculator. Sorry, it's going to just take me a moment. And that's going to take me to $40. So the cost of the original price was $40, and it was on sale for 25% off, which means that you only had to pay the $30. Okay? So $40 is our answer. So hopefully that helps you to just have a better understanding on how to kind of set up that percent ruler and figure it out from there. All right, good luck.